Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and you are watching a step-by-step guide to start chatting with artificial intelligence using ChatGPT of OpenAI. So for that you need to open up your browser and on your browser search for OpenAI and then click on this very first link that you will see from Google search results. Just open it up and this is where it will lead you to. All you have to do is just click on try on the top of your screen where it is saying introducing ChatGPT research release. Just click on try and it will open up a new screen for you. Then you can either log into your existing account on OpenAI or you can create a new account, and I'm assuming that you are going to sign up for a new account, so let's click on sign up here. After that, you can either use your Google account, Microsoft account, or create a new account. So just type in your email address over here, then prove this AI that you are not a robot. Click on continue. After that, choose a password for your account. Then you will have to verify your email by going to your Gmail account and opening up the email received from OpenAI. So just verify your email, and after you click on the email for verification, this is where it will lead you to. Just type in your first name and last name, then verify your phone number. A code will be sent to your phone and all you have to do is just type in that code over here and verify. So this is how it will appear after the verification, and this says that it is free, and after a while they might be charging some amount for using this ChatGPT bot. And it also says that the information provided by artificial intelligence might be incorrect, so you don't have to solely believe on it. Let's click on next, and then it says how they collect your data, so make sure that you read all of it before proceeding further. And after it opens up, all you have to do is just type in your questions down here and click enter, and you will be able to receive the answers from this AI, and it is called ChatGPT. And if you want to provide some feedback to this bot, then you can always click on this option of OpenAI Discord on the left hand side. Just click on it and you will be redirected to Discord there, like OpenAI's Discord, and there you will be able to provide the feedback and the team will work on your feedback. And this technology might be having changes in future according to your feedback, so that's how it will work out. Now let's try some questions and see how ChatGPT responds to our questions. And this is the first question that I asked, and it is being answered by ChatGPT. You can turn it to dark mode or light mode as per your preference. You can also create on regenerate a response to create a new response from this AI. And you can also change your questions even after asking them out by clicking on the edit button and then typing in again, or making any changes, then click on save and submit. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.